What is the placebo effect? What if simply believing a treatment works could actually make you feel better? No active medicine, no real physical intervention, just expectation. This fascinating phenomenon is known as the placebo effect, and it reveals just how powerful the human mind can be. The placebo effect occurs when a person experiences real improvements in symptoms after receiving a treatment that has no therapeutic value. This could be a sugar pill, a saline injection, or even a fake medical procedure. The key factor isn't the treatment itself, but the person's belief that it will help. For a long time, placebos were thought to be imaginary or purely psychological. But modern science shows that the placebo effect can trigger real, measurable changes in the body. Studies using brain scans have revealed that placebos can stimulate the release of chemicals like endorphins and dopamine, substances linked to pain relief, pleasure, and mood regulation. In some cases, the brain reacts to a placebo almost exactly the same way it reacts to real medication. The placebo effect is especially powerful in conditions involving pain, stress, depression, anxiety, and even Parkinson's disease. For example, patients given a placebo painkiller often report reduced pain, and their brains show decreased activity in pain-related areas. In Parkinson's patients, placebos have been shown to temporarily increase dopamine levels, improving movement and coordination. This effect is one reason clinical trials are designed with placebo control groups. When researchers test a new drug, they need to know whether improvements come from the drug itself or from patients' expectations. If a drug doesn't perform significantly better than a placebo, it may not be considered effective. Interestingly, there is also something called the nocebo effect, the opposite of placebo. If someone expects negative side effects, they may actually experience them, even if the treatment is harmless. This highlights how deeply our beliefs can influence our physical reality. The placebo effect doesn't mean that illnesses are all in your head. Instead, it shows that the brain and body are deeply connected. Belief, expectation, and context can activate real biological processes that affect how we feel and function. So the next time you hear about the placebo effect, remember this: your mind is not just observing your body, it's actively shaping it. Understanding this connection may be one of the most powerful tools in medicine today.